Hey guys, Mia here. And today I'm gonna show you something I got from 7-Eleven. You might be wondering, what? What do you talk about 7-Eleven? It's a place called actually I think they never served fidget spinners there, but now they do. And guess what I have? A fidget spinner. So you see, look. You see, look at that. Oh, it's different for the camera. Man, but it's normal for me. Like, look at that fast version, right? It's my granny.
Hi.
And today, if she can sit beside me when she's. Maybe I'll see you when she joins me. With this challenge, we're gonna do the throwing fidget spinner challenge. Just joking, not that. What freaking fidget spinner? This is the only one I have. I got this today. They serve more than one. So if any of you in Seattle watching this, you can go to 7-Eleven. Get any fidget spinner you want. I have this one. There's another one of these, and there's more. And I saw the epicest one ever, but I like this one more. You see, it's white, and it can flash rainbows, which is epic. Sorry, I was too loud. So let me move that over. If you join me soon, see, here it is. Da da da. Maybe I'll see you when she sits beside me. Right, I guess she can't. So she's gonna watch a movie downstairs with my mom. My mom, my grandpa. I don't know if my dad's down there. I think he's on the computer right now. Hold on. So, as you can see today, we're gonna see if you can see. Let's see how long this will spin for. See. So, 20 seconds later. Sorry. 3, 2, and BAM! Nope. Fail. Guess I'll have to count it. Who is this? Okay, it's this one. Oh, you can see it. She's right. Oh, there we go. She's on. I think we really need to hold this. Good. You can't. Wait, making the perfect angle. Okay, that's too bad. No. This can. Get out of your red pillow. Get out. Get out of the camera there. So, yeah. Here's my fidget spinner. So let's see how long this can spin for. 3, 2, 1. 1. 2, wait. What? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Sorry. I was not meant to do that. Let's attempt number 2. Attempt number 1. Attempt number 2 in 3, 2, and up fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. 53 seconds? Are you kidding? That's almost 1 minute. Oh my freaking gosh. And dead. Okay. Maybe I'll do gaming right now. I'll do gaming soon. When this video ends, I'll start the game on a coach bus simulator. Or should I do a normal bus simulator? Oh, I forgot I don't have that game on my tablet, so I have to download that game to record on. Well, I guess I'll end the video now. Oops. Well, I'm gonna end the video now. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and please smash that like button with a bed. Smash it with a bed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye. Pew pew dab.